I'd like to demonstrate very quickly how easy it is to take the orange seals out of the bearings. It's quite simple. I've asked my dentist for an old broken pick and he was happy to give me one, so I'm using a dental pick here. And if you can see, all I'm doing is I'm getting under the seal gently, because there is a metal insert in this orange seal. I don't want to bend it. I just want to take it out. And there you have it. It just pops right out. If you look on the other side, there is a brass insert which you don't want to damage. So in detail, this is a very nice little simple two-piece orange seal, and it's very easy to remove and very easy to reassemble. All you do is you align it and you push it in, and the overmolded orange seal slips back into the races. Ready to go. Okay, before we get started with this bearing replacement, I just wanted to make sure these bearings were clean, just a double check inside. Of course, they're immaculate. I removed some of the grease that came with the bearings. I want to go purely with a high-speed oil. One note is Boca Bearings sells a great cleaner. I've taken an old iPod case here and shipment packaging, and I just sprayed the cleaner in here. I've worked in the plastic industry for many years, cleaning dies and working with insert injection molding. So I know what die cleaner works. For my use, I'm using something that I can purchase locally at our Canadian Tire. It's a brand of brake cleaner that only Certified makes. I trust it. I trust it so much that when I clean these orange seals, which are overmolded on a brass washer, which makes it such an ideal seal and removable seal. I only trust a certain brake cleaners so that it doesn't destroy the orange seal. So my test with a die cleaner, a true good industrial die cleaner, is if you can't spray it on your iPhone, don't spray it on the orange seals. So if you're unsure, get the cleaner that Boca supplies. As you can see here, I'm going through the process of soaking them and cleaning them. I've also used a little dowel pin here that I've sharpened, and it makes for a great little temporary axle to pick up the bearings, spin them in your hand, and clean them up. It really works well. These bearings will now be pure ceramic and stainless steel races with only the high-speed oil in it. So I'm really looking forward to the rapid spin up that these bearings can achieve in my transmission. So as I was saying earlier, I clean my bearings with a brake cleaner, but the only one that I trust, because there's many on the market right now that will destroy your orange seals. So in my opinion, this is the only way to go. If you are unsure, please use the recommended cleaner from Boca. Again, this is my opinion. I've been able to test this cleaner on many different surfaces, including my iPhone, and it doesn't damage anything. So right here, I'm going to demonstrate, after I've cleaned these bearings, I'm going to demonstrate how I put some of the high-speed oil. I've got a bit of I put the orange seal in the back, and now I'm about to twist the valve open on my high-speed oil applicator. So I'm just going to apply a dab of oil in between the races here on the bearings. And what I like to do is I like to give it a short little spin here to work it in. And the real nice thing about these orange seals is that they just pop right in. Note the different sides here. You want the brass insert to face inward so that only the orange overmolded material is on the outside. So there you have it. Cleaned up, ready to go bearing. So in my opinion, this is the best way to clean my bearings to make sure that it stays in tip-top spinning condition.